Good morning and welcome to day 4 of math. This week we have been learning about measurement. We've been using non-standard units of measurement to measure objects around our house. We've been using things like goldfish, pennies, paper clips, stuff like that. So far we've learned how to measure length, how long or short something is. I did the activity where I measured our feet and I put them from shortest to longest. We have learned about height, how tall or short something is. To measure height, you measure from the ground up. And today we're going to be talking about weight. When you talk about weight, it's how heavy or how light something is. Now when you go to the doctor's office, not only do they measure your height, how tall you are from the ground up, they also measure your weight, how heavy you are. You step on a scale and they tell you how much you weigh. Every time they measure your height and your weight to make sure that you're on track to where you need to be. Today we're going to be learning about a different kind of scale. It's called a balance scale. At school we have a traditional balance scale, but I don't have my school balance scale here, so I'm going to show you how to make your own balance scale. What you will need, a hanger. Mine has these little notches. If yours doesn't have that, that's okay. And 2 bags. I chose 2 Target bags. You can use grocery bags or the clear gallon size bags. You just need to cut a hole in the side and loop it onto the hanger. Make sure if you do use a grocery bag, they are from the same store, so they're the same size, shape, and weight. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the bag and you're going to hook it on this little notch. Remember, if you don't have notches on yours, it's okay. You'll just have to use tape or tie your bags on. Okay. So, this is what it will look like. You're going to put it on your finger to balance. If you notice right now, my hanger is straight across. That means that these bags are the same weight. What if I put, an apple in this side? What do you think is going to happen? When I put something on a balance scale, it will make the scale go down. So I put the apple in my balance scale and it was heavy enough to make one side go down to show that an apple is heavier than what's in this bag. Nothing, air. Now what would happen if I put the banana in the other bag? Let's see if there's any easy way to do this. Now it's back to equal. So I know that my apple and my banana must weigh about the same. What would happen if I put a marker in the other bag? What do you think is heavier, an apple or a marker? I noticed that the side that has the marker stayed up and the side with the apple stayed down. That means the apple is heavier. When you're using a balance scale, whatever side goes down is heavier, whatever side stays up is lighter. So I know my apple is heavier, my marker is lighter. What you will need for today's activity is a piece of paper and a marker. You're going to write weight at the top. Weight is kind of a tricky word. W-E-I-G-H-T. Weight. Remember, weight is how heavy or light something is. You're then going to draw a balance. It's a diagonal line. We're not going to draw it equal, not for this one at least. Like this. So one side is going down and one side is staying up. The side that goes down, D-O-W-N, is heavy. Heavy. So I wrote down and heavy. The side that stays up, U-P, is light. down is heavy, the side that goes up is light. I want you to label those as well. Now when I measured the apple and the marker, get some markers over here. I'm going to draw them. Which one was heavier? Which one went down? The apple. I'm going to draw the apple on the side that says heavy. I'm going to draw a marker on the side that says light. Then I'm going to label my items. Apple and marker. Marker. Like this. Apple, marker. You can do the same one if you'd like. So the apple is heavier, it went down. Marker is lighter, it stayed up. We're going to draw another balance scale down below. Take my items out of my bag. Apple. And my marker. Oh. Get them back on here. This time I'm going to be measuring a lime. Put this lime in here. What's going to happen? The side with the lime is going to go down because right now there's a lime in this bag and nothing in this side, so that means a lime is heavier than nothing or air. And the other side I'm going to put, oh, there it is, a paper clip. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think this side's even going to move? Nope. The side with the paper clip stayed up, the side with the lime went down. So which one is heavier? The lime is heavier because it's being weighed down. Which one is lighter? The paper clip, because it is staying up. So, on my scale, which one do I draw down here? The lime. What do I draw at the top? The paper clip. Oh, my paper clip just kind of, there we go. Then I'm gonna label them. Paper clip and lime. Like this. Now, if you do go to weigh something and they are the same, you can draw a balance scale that is straight across, like this. And then I could draw my apple and my banana, because when I did the first weighing trial, let's see, get my paper clip, a line, and I weighed the apple and the banana. They were about the same, so my hanger was in the middle. Apple, banana. See how it's straight across? So that means that they are the same weight. So if you are weighing things around your house and your hanger stays flat, then you'll just have to draw a scale that looks like this. And then you can draw your picture. So I'm gonna draw a banana. And an apple. And I'm going to label. Can't really see my banana and apple. I want you to make your own balance scale with the hanger and bags, and I want you to weigh things around your house. I want you to record them like I did on my paper. Whatever object is heavier, you will put on the part of your balance scale that is going down. Whatever object is lighter, you will put on your balance scale that is going up. You are also going to complete the weight activities that are included on my teacher webpage. That is all I have for math today, and I will talk to you later. Bye.